backlog and waiting for new solutions. So when we are talking about innovations and accelerated digital transformation, we need to talk in days and weeks, but not quarters or years. So this is something that is very valuable, and it's totally relevant to the current situation and the current need of a rapid digital transformation. We have a lot of paper processes that are still there, that are subject to optimization, to automation. And this is something that business needs to turn their attention as soon as possible. The business and the IT together. These metrics are actually part of a lot of studies from major analytics companies, but what about these 70% about less application development cost and effort? Because we have the same experience from the first hand developing our product that's in app source.
I can say it's even more because I have experience running a project with developing an Android application, and what I needed to do back then, I think I can do in Power Apps for more than 3 times less the time.
Yeah, even with Asset Insider, our product, I believe the optimizations was even higher than this 70%. And if we use traditional approach, maybe our product wouldn't be on the market.
Yes, hire developers, project lead, project architect, and the time it takes to move.
IT architecture, security.
Yes.
So with Power Apps, you get all the security and infrastructure in one click.
Yeah, directly from Microsoft.
So yeah, the cost savings, adopting the low-code idea and technologies like Power Apps really can save a lot of money and a lot of time because both are very related and equivalent. So other studies shows that really in 60% of all the jobs and occupations, there are at least 30% tasks or day-to-day activities that are subject to automation. And it's something that can be recognized very rapidly by the business itself. All of this leads to actually very fast time to value. This is KPI, not exactly like return of investment, but this is measuring the time to get the value of your investment. Know how much you will return. But when we are talking about the low coding and the Power Platform, we are talking about time and speed and a rapid transformation and rapid savings with all this. So we can see something in a demo.